Hello friends, welcome to Techno for You. Today in this video we will talk about Android Oreo update for the Nokia 6 which is available for the Indian users. So friends, Nokia has started rolling out the Android 8.0 Oreo Beta update to the Nokia 6 devices in India right now. This update is part of Beta Labs program and still a work in progress. So friends, please note that this update is not a stable Oreo update but an beta update for Nokia 6 users, and this update is not for all Nokia 6 users in India, but in fact this update is available for Indian users who has opted registration which was started about a month ago in December. So friends, those from India who have registered are getting their update from today onwards, and Nokia didn't confirm as to when the final version will be released and just said that it is well on track. So very soon I think Nokia 6 users will get Android Oreo stable update in I think first quarter of this 2018, and for those who have registered for beta program have started from today the update for Oreo Beta. So friend, this is the news for the Nokia 6 users who are getting Oreo Beta update for their devices, and please thumbs up this video if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates, latest technology updates, and don't forget to comment your views. So friends, thank you, bye bye, take care.